Hey everyone, this is Brett from Dennis Bernard Professional. Today I'm here to show you guys how you can get rid of stains on your clients and in your salon using TCS, our color stain remover. TCS is super simple to use. Simply shake, apply to a damp towel or a piece of cotton, and apply where you're going to be applying color. TCS is a non-irritating barrier cream meant to prevent any staining on the scalp around the hairline. TCS is a combination of cleansers and light oils that creates a barrier on the skin, which prevents any staining while allowing the color to penetrate the hair. Since TCS is not a color block, I 100% trust it with my gray coverage clients because I know I can 100% of the time grab those little pesky hairs around the hairline without staining. And when it comes to back bar, I totally trust TCS in cleaning up any color staining. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Feel free to look at all of our products on DennisBernard.com and check out my Insta at Brett Trends as well as at Dennis Bernard Pro on Instagram.